Hi, so I'm in my bathroom in my dressing gown and I'm going to do my roots. And I'm not going to do highlights because I'm going to have to mess about with the foils, and I think that's going to be a bit awkward and take me time on my own. So I'm going to do a balayage, and this section only up here. I'm just going to do this section. So I'm going to do a one up, one down kind of method. So when I part the hair like this, I'll just add the bleach, one up, one down, one up, one down with my fingers. I've got my gloves ready, I've got my bleach, and I've picked up blue bleach powder. I've got my measuring jug and my mixing bowl. What else have I got? And I've got my cream developer. I'm going to use 6%, 20% volume, because my hair does lift quite quickly. So I'm going to have a go and see how it goes. But first of all, I just want to brush the bit I'm going to work on and clip that up. So I'm just literally going to do this. We shall see. I'm using the end of my brush to get the lines right, because it really is important to have clean lines in this section. And I'm a little bit worried because I know working with bleach you have to work fast because it starts lifting really quickly. So I am a little bit worried, but I am still going to do it. I really hope I'm doing this right. I mixed 2 to 1, so that was 1 part powder, 2 parts cream developer, and it's blue. I hope it is mixing okay. And I use blue because I've got a lot of red in my hair, so I think if you use the blue it combats the red, counteracts with red in the hair. Right, so I'm going to start. So I've got a little bit of the bleach on my finger. Before I start, I've picked out a tiny little bit of strand of the hair, and I'm going to do a full highlight, sort of like maybe a centimetre away from the root, and bring the bleach all the way down, well, not fully to the end because I've already got bleach on the ends of my hair. So then I have to keep moving to the mirror, so yeah, with the point, oh, I've got an itch now, and with the point of the brush I'll pick out another little strand. But I'm going to then put the bleach further down, so probably about 4 centimetres below where I put the bleach on the other one. So I'm doing a kind of one up, one down look. Right, I'm going to have to switch the camera off and move quick, so I think you get the idea. One up, one down. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I've done it. It is lifting really quickly, so I think you're supposed to leave it on for about 40-45 minutes. I don't think it'll be on that long. It's taken me about half an hour already just to do it myself. I'm really worried about it because if I haven't done it properly I'm going to get this tigerish look, so I'm just going to give it about another 10-15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, so it hasn't worked out too bad. I gave up parting my hair and doing it that way, and I just started randomly taking bits and moving it over that side, one up, one down, moving it over. I was doing them too thick on this side, and this side went a little bit wrong, whereas this side's fine and the back's fine there. But this side, they're a little bit thick and they look a little bit like a little bit look like the pattern's wrong. A little bit, I don't know, tigerish to me. But I think I can correct it next time. I think I'll get some foils and just do some very thin highlights and try and break it all up. But otherwise it isn't too bad. Not everything can go right. We are in lockdown and I am making the best of it and trying to do my own hair. But it's not so bad. It's brightened it up, and yeah, I think it's okay. This side's definitely fine. So that is how my hair turned out. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Stay safe.